These are not the woodworking tools everyone talks about, but once you see what they can really do, you'll understand why professionals quietly rely on them every day on TechVerse. Every tool in this video solves a real problem in the workshop, and all the Amazon links for them are waiting for you right now in the description. Blue Spruce Deluxe Mortising Gauge. When precision really matters in woodworking, this is the kind of tool professionals quietly rely on. The Blue Spruce Deluxe Mortising Gauge is designed for accurately laying out mortises and tenons, where even a small mistake can ruin a joint. In a real workshop scenario, this gauge helps you mark clean, parallel lines consistently, saving time during chiseling or rooting. Its solid construction and smooth adjustment mechanism make it reliable for repeated use on fine furniture projects. For woodworkers who value accuracy and clean joinery, this tool delivers control you can trust every single time. MINOVA KD5521 Vibrating Wire Saw. When you're working on delicate woodworking tasks where traditional blades feel too aggressive, the MINOVA KD5521 Vibrating Wire Saw offers a controlled alternative. In real-world use, it's especially helpful for making precise cuts in tight spaces or separating joints without damaging surrounding material. The vibrating wire design allows steady, low-impact cutting, which reduces the risk of splintering or overcutting fine wood pieces. For restoration work, detailed joinery, or careful material removal, this tool adds a level of finesse that standard saws simply can't provide, making it a smart choice for precision-focused woodworkers. SawStop Compact Table Saw. In a small workshop or a busy job site, space and safety both matter, and this is where the SawStop Compact Table Saw really earns its place. Designed for serious woodworking, it delivers clean, accurate cuts while maintaining the portability many professionals need. In real use, it feels stable and well-balanced, making rip cuts and cross cuts far more controlled. What truly sets it apart is its built-in safety technology, which helps reduce the risk of severe injury during operation. For woodworkers who want professional performance without compromising safety, this table saw is a smart long-term investment. GuidePRO Bandsaw Guide. When you're trying to get straight, repeatable cuts on a bandsaw, hand pressure alone is never consistent enough. The GuidePRO Bandsaw Guide is designed to keep your workpiece firmly controlled while staying safely away from the blade. In real workshop use, it helps reduce blade drift and improves accuracy during resawing or curved cuts. The ergonomic design makes long cutting sessions less tiring, while the built-in guidance keeps your hands positioned safely. For woodworkers who want cleaner cuts and better control on a bandsaw, this guide adds confidence where it matters most. Jet Oscillating Spindle Sander. When sanding curves, inside edges, or detailed profiles, regular sanders quickly reach their limits. The Jet Oscillating Spindle Sander is built for exactly these situations, making it a go-to tool in real woodworking shops. In everyday use, it smooths curved cuts evenly, while the oscillating motion helps reduce burn marks and uneven wear on the sanding sleeves. This results in cleaner edges and better surface finishes with less effort. For furniture makers and detail-focused woodworkers, this sander saves time, improves accuracy, and delivers consistently professional results where precision sanding truly matters. TSO MultiFunction Fence. When accuracy and repeatability are critical, the TSO MultiFunction Fence becomes a serious upgrade in any woodworking setup. In real-world use, it helps you guide cuts, drill holes, and align workpieces with consistent precision, especially during joinery and panel work. Woodworkers often rely on it when setting up track saws or routing operations, where even slight movement can ruin the result. Its rigid construction keeps everything square and stable throughout the process. For anyone who values clean layouts and dependable alignment, this fence turns careful planning into precise, confident execution every time. Co-Matic AF6 RESAW Feeder. When resawing thick boards on a bandsaw, consistent feed pressure is the difference between a smooth cut and a ruined piece. The Co-Matic AF06 RESAW Feeder is designed to maintain steady, controlled material movement, especially during long or demanding cuts. In real workshop use, it reduces hand fatigue while improving cut uniformity and surface quality. By keeping the workpiece firmly guided, it also adds an extra layer of safety during resaw operations. For woodworkers who frequently resaw lumber and want cleaner, more predictable results. This feeder delivers reliability that truly pays off. Goingmake Track Saw Parallel Guide System. When you need perfectly parallel cuts without constantly measuring and marking, the Goingmake Track Saw Parallel Guide System makes the process far more efficient. In real-world woodworking, it attaches directly to your track saw setup and helps you repeat identical cuts with confidence, especially when breaking down plywood or sheet goods. This saves time and reduces material waste, which matters on larger projects. Its precise adjustment system keeps cuts consistent from start to finish. For woodworkers who value speed without sacrificing accuracy, this guide system turns careful planning into reliable, repeatable results. POWERTEC Fence Flip Stop. When you're making repeated cuts to the exact same length, consistency becomes more important than speed. The POWERTEC Fence Flip Stop is designed for this exact situation, locking in precise measurements so every cut matches the last one. In real workshop use, it mounts onto an existing fence system and allows you to flip it out of the way when it's not needed, which keeps your workflow smooth. It helps reduce measuring errors and saves time on batch cutting tasks. For woodworkers focused on accuracy and efficiency, this small upgrade delivers dependable, repeatable results. TrigJig SG38 Stair Gauge. When building stairs or working on angled layouts, accuracy is non-negotiable, and that's where the TrigJig SG38 Stair Gauge proves its value. In real woodworking projects, it helps you mark precise angles and consistent measurements directly onto your workpiece, reducing guesswork during layout. This is especially useful when cutting stair stringers or repeating angled cuts that must match perfectly. Its solid design keeps settings locked in place even after repeated use. For woodworkers who want reliable angle layout without constant remeasuring, this gauge delivers precision you can count on. JessEm Precision Squares. When squareness defines the quality of a woodworking project, unreliable measuring tools simply aren't an option. The JessEm Precision Squares are built to check and maintain accurate 90-degree angles during layout, assembly, and machine setup. In real shop use, they're often reached for when aligning fences, checking joinery, or verifying machine calibration. Their solid construction helps them stay true over time, which is critical for consistent results. For woodworkers who demand dependable accuracy from their measuring tools, these squares provide confidence that every joint and cut starts perfectly aligned. Woodpeckers Pocket Saddle T-Square. When you're working with small parts or need quick, accurate layout marks, the Woodpeckers Pocket Saddle T-Square becomes an everyday essential. In real woodworking situations, it's especially useful for marking 90-degree lines on narrow boards, drawer parts, or trim pieces where larger squares feel awkward. Its saddle-style design sits securely on the edge of the workpiece, keeping everything aligned without slipping. This speeds up layout work while reducing small measuring errors that add up over time. For precision-focused woodworkers, this compact tool delivers accuracy in places where bigger tools simply can't. Grizzly G09 Benchtop Planer. When rough lumber needs to be brought down to a smooth, uniform thickness, the Grizzly G09 Benchtop Planer handles the job without taking over your entire workspace. In real woodworking use, it's ideal for small shops where space is limited, but precision still matters. It helps clean up reclaimed wood, flatten boards, and prepare stock for joinery with consistent results. The benchtop design makes it easy to move when needed, while still delivering reliable performance. For woodworkers who want clean, even boards without investing in a full-size planer, this tool offers practical value. Total Quick Bar Clamps. When you're gluing panels or assembling frames, steady pressure is what holds everything together, and the Total Quick Bar Clamps are built for exactly that job. In real workshop use, they allow fast one-handed operation, which makes positioning and tightening much easier when you're working alone. The quick release mechanism helps speed up repetitive clamping tasks without sacrificing holding strength. These clamps are especially useful during glue-ups where timing matters. For woodworkers who want reliable pressure with faster setup and less effort, these clamps make everyday assembly work smoother and more efficient. Infinity Tools Router and Table Saw Small Parts. Workholder. When working with small or narrow pieces, control and safety become just as important as accuracy. The Infinity Tools Router and Table Saw Small Parts Workholder is designed to keep your hands safely away from blades and bits while maintaining firm pressure on the workpiece. In real woodworking use, it's especially helpful during routing, trimming, or table saw operations where small parts can easily shift. This added stability improves cut quality and reduces risk at the same time. For woodworkers who frequently handle small components, this workholder delivers confidence, safety, and cleaner results where it matters most. Ruitool Bench Dog Clamp. When you need to secure a workpiece firmly without cluttering your bench, the Ruitool Bench Dog Clamp offers a clean and efficient solution. In real woodworking setups, it fits directly into standard bench dog holes, allowing you to hold boards flat and steady during sanding, planing, or rooting. This low-profile clamping keeps the surface clear, which improves control and visibility while working. It's especially useful for quick adjustments without resetting large clamps. For woodworkers who value a tidy workspace and reliable holding power, this clamp delivers practical, everyday usefulness. Bessey Framing Set KP. When assembling frames, cabinets, or box-style projects, keeping corners perfectly square is often the hardest part. The Bessey Framing Set KP is designed to apply even pressure across joints, helping everything stay aligned during glue-ups. In real woodworking use, it's especially effective for larger assemblies where standard clamps struggle to hold angles accurately. The system distributes force evenly, reducing the risk of joints shifting while the glue sets. For woodworkers who build frames regularly and want cleaner, more professional-looking assemblies, this framing set brings control and precision to a critical stage of the process. JessEm stainless steel rulers. When layout accuracy sets the foundation for an entire project, a dependable ruler makes all the difference. The JessEm stainless steel rulers are designed for precise measuring and marking in everyday woodworking tasks. In real shop use, they're ideal for checking dimensions, setting machine fences, or marking clean-cut lines where small errors can quickly add up. The stainless steel construction helps maintain accuracy over time and resists wear from constant use. For woodworkers who want consistent, trustworthy measurements without second-guessing, these rulers provide a simple but essential upgrade to the workspace. Ruitool Cabinet Door. Mounting jig. When installing cabinet doors, keeping everything perfectly aligned can be frustrating without the right support. The Ruitool Cabinet Door. Mounting jig is designed to hold doors in the correct position while you focus on hinge installation and alignment. In real-world use, it helps maintain consistent spacing and reduces the need for extra hands during setup. This makes the installation process faster and far more accurate, especially on multi-door projects. For woodworkers and cabinet installers who want clean, professional results with less effort, this jig turns a tricky task into a controlled, repeatable process. Makita 40V XGT Sanders. When surface finishing needs power, control, and consistency, the Makita 40V XGT Sanders are built to handle demanding woodworking tasks. In real workshop use, these sanders deliver strong, steady performance that helps smooth large panels, hardwood surfaces, and detailed pieces without slowing down. The cordless 40VV XGT platform gives you freedom of movement while maintaining professional-level output, which is especially useful on bigger projects or job sites. Reduced vibration and balanced handling make longer sanding sessions more comfortable. For woodworkers who want clean finishes with less effort, this sander brings serious capability to the final stage of any project. If you enjoyed discovering tools that can genuinely improve your woodworking workflow, make sure to like this video, drop a comment with your favorite tool, and subscribe to AU TechVerse for more smart, practical tool breakdowns. Stay connected, because following AU TechVerse means staying ahead with tools that actually make a difference.